Welcome to Scottish Outdoor Life. Today I'm having a few hours this afternoon at Walkmill. The river's up, I think it's up it's about 6.5 feet on the Balathy gauge. Big water, still got a fair amount of colour in it, but getting better all the time. It is on its way back, it's dropping down. So I'm going to give this a go. This is Burhoch. I'm going to fish this down. I'll continue down into the bushes if I can, a pool called the Bushes, but I don't think I'll be able to fish there. There's too many brambles and things like that. So we'll give this a run through and then we might go down to the Hatton and see the gilly. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, we've got something anyway. It looks like a brownie from here. Let's get down here. Yeah, it's a wee brownie. There we go, wee brown trout. Thought I'd show you this. More beaver damage. The size of that tree they've taken out. I don't know how old it'll be, but it's obviously been there a long time. It just makes such a mess. Look at the folk that release them illegally or legally, they just don't get it, I don't think. But however, we just need to put up with it now. So nothing down through here. Well, that brownie, and then lost something else. So we'll go down, we'll try and get a cast down through a pool called the Bushes, but I think it's too high. And then we'll go down to the Hatton and give it a go there. There we go. God, that wellied it. Woo! Dearie me. Wow, that was a bit of an acrobat, wasn't it? I knew if I could get in here it'd definitely be worth a go. But I mean, look how awkward it is trying to sort of cast and kind of backhanded, if you like. That absolutely nailed it. I'm going to try and hold them there and I'll get my net ready. Decent fish. Come on. Come on, get your head up. That's a bit of a lump, that one. Come on. And you go. There we go. Excellent. Jeez, what a strong fish. Wow. That's a bit of a lump. Oh. Let's get that out of the net so we can keep her in the water. Yeah. Excellent. Whew. There we go. Okay. Yes. Come on. It's about 16 pounds. Good. 16. It's probably one of the biggest for the season, to be honest. I've never really had anything really big. Yeah, she should go back, no bother. She's not been out of the water at all, so I'll just hold her here. Oh, there she goes. I'll be honest, I would have said she was bigger, but 16. Decent lump nonetheless. Well, there we go. Just shows you 16 pounds, definitely worth the effort trying to sort of jump, because some of the bits will be right over my head, so definitely worthwhile trying to jump about in here. I'm just going to try and do the same, get right round the corner. I bet you there's at least another one in here for us, so we'll hopefully go and get that too. Turned it off. There we go. Oh, I hope I got that take on camera. That was a great take again. Decent fish again. I just hope he doesn't go over the croy there, or I might tighten up on him a wee bit, because I have no way around there unless I phone the gilly. Come on. Oh, don't go there. Don't go there. Hopefully just get him to sit there while I need two hands to undo this net properly. Right, here we go. Right. Big old cockfish. So it's hooked right in the kite. Come on, come on, up you come, up you come, up you come. Ah, there we go. Good. Excellent. Right, get some slack line. Let's get them unhooked. Come on. £11. There he goes. Well, there we go. That's a big henfish and a big cockfish, 16 and 11. I'll be honest, I would probably have given them more if I didn't have my net. So I might. It's a McLean weigh net, so I'll try and calibrate it somehow. So I would have said that was slightly bigger, but who knows? It doesn't really matter anyway, the size. We all like to catch big fish, and they were nice. They were nice sized fish. So 16 and 11. We're kind of at the tail of the pool now. I mean, that's been 2 out of here. I know the gillies had, I think they've had 6 in total today. They've had 2 this afternoon. So they'll be packing up just shortly. I'm going to stay on because I never got here till maybe, God, it must have been 3:30 or something like that. So what time is it now? Yeah, 5 o'clock. So we'll go and we'll finish this out, and then we'll drop down into the hat and then yeah, just see what happens. There we go. There's one. I changed to a flying C. Oh, it's away. Changed to a flying C just to get it out a bit further. Never mind. I think they've been fishing visions and rapalas down here. Now, arguably, that bit I fished earlier, the bushes, you wouldn't go there. I mean, you can barely wade down it. It's a bit of an obstacle course, but there's an awful lot of fish in here this season. Earlier on, well, still is, so with this extra water they've probably come on. But I think we'll fish a flying sea down through here. There we go. There's another one. I changed back onto a vision. I did have a flying sea on, then I had a Toby on, and I've tried a floating down, but I've gone back to the vision because it's a wee bit of, the kind of bottom changes out here. It's a wee bit deeper nearer me, and I can't throw that vision as far as a flying sea, so it looks like it's kind of paid off. Just get down onto this platform here. Harry the Gilly, he'd been getting his on a Fire Tiger sort of Rapala, so I got mine on a Kankuru vision, so I've just changed to a Fire Tiger one. wee grill stockfish. Come on. There we go, good. Excellent. Excellent. Doesn't look... No, that's it. Oh, that's a bit jump out the net. There we go. Just keep him in there for a wee second, let him recover. Excellent. Well, I wasn't... That's 10 for the day then. Harry was needing a... Oh, he's just sent me a message, that's number 10. He must have got another one then. Well, that makes 11 for the day. So people call them kippers. I call them kippers as well, but they're beautiful colours this time of year. I don't know if you can see that, it's getting quite late on, but this net is so big. Just reds and browns and greens and blues. I took a close-up photo of the head of that cockfish earlier and it had like blue through it. It was beautiful. But listen, he'll be okay to go back now. He's just a wee one, so he was played quite hard, but we'll go and get him back. Teeth I've got, there we go, and he's away. Good. I don't know if you'll see me on this, but that's me finished. 3 salmon, 1 5, 1 11, 1 16. All on a vision. Lost one on a flying sea, lost someone else on a flying sea, and got a wee brownie. Oh, and I lost another wee brownie there right at the end. So listen, a great afternoon out, 4 hours. Not too sure when we'll be out next, maybe next Friday, Saturday. That's the last 2 days of the season. But listen, hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you next time.